Hello everyone, welcome to Origami with Miss Cynthia. The weather is so nice outside here in Arizona, and it's a perfect time to go out for a nice little picnic and to pack up some strawberries. They're definitely in season here in Arizona. Now, let's get started on folding these cute little 3D strawberries.
The supplies you will need are 1 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, a scrap piece of paper, and a marker. Alright guys, once you selected the sheet of paper you would like to work with, go ahead and fold one corner downward into that form of a triangle. Go ahead and cut this side piece off, just like this. Go ahead and open up your sheet of paper. Now you have a line going right through the middle. Go ahead and fold it the opposite direction. So we're going to create a crease going this direction. Fold and crease really good. Go ahead and open up your sheet of paper and then fold it top to bottom. Just like this. We're going to open it up again and fold it left to right. Just like this. All right, go ahead and open up your sheet of paper. Now I'm going to focus on a diamond. You have all these creases on your piece of paper, but we're just going to focus on this little diamond here. And we're going to bring this left side down, back up again. We're going to follow those creases. And then the same thing on this side. This side, this next triangle will go downward. And then this one will come over to, swing over to the right. And then we're going to press all the way down so that we are looking at a diamond, just like this. Okay? All right. So up here we have two little wings here, 1, 2 flaps, 1 and 2. They open up at the bottom, solid on top. All right, so you're going to bring one of your flaps and you have a middle crease going right through your diamond. So go ahead and fold towards that crease. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Like that. Okay, we're going to flip the whole entire piece over and crease. And do the same thing, fold and crease. And as you're creasing, of course, your paper gets thicker and thicker. All right, so we're going to do the same thing on the bottom sides. Okay, so go ahead and swing this bottom side. You're going to focus on the edge here and bring it right to the middle crease. Just like this. This side, swing it over. So this will parallel to the middle. Now you do have an open sheets of paper down here, and believe me, I have had a lot of paper cuts, so just be very careful when you're folding this in, okay? All right, we're going to flip it. Do the same thing. This edge aligns towards the middle. Edge towards the middle. All right, so you can grab the back of your scissors. I'm gonna bring out my bone folder, and you're just gonna go through the whole entire piece and just make sure that all of the edges are really nicely creased. I'm gonna flip it over to do the same thing. Okay, so these bottom flaps here, if you open it up a little bit, you're going to see that you can divide both pieces of paper right here, okay? So all we're going to do is flatten it out. Let me hold it in place here. And you have a crease going right here that will eventually align to this portion right here, okay? And all you have to do is just press down on it. And we crease. All right, see how this line aligned to this bottom section right here, okay? Do the same thing to the opposite side. So we're gonna open it up a little bit and divide those sheets of paper. And you can use your finger or a pen or something to just, you know, help you just kind of divide the sheet of paper there. I'm going to press down. This edge, the crease to the edge here will align to this crease there. We press down and we crease very well. Remember to work at it on a flat surface, makes things so much easier. All right, go ahead and flip the entire piece, do the same exact steps. To both sides, okay? All right, I'm going to flip my piece. It's easier for me to see it this way. Just go ahead and rotate it all the way around just like this, okay? So my point is to the bottom here. Okay, so what you should have now is creases here on top that where we just folded the little pieces of paper, but you still have those flaps, remember? Okay, so what we're going to do next, you have these little wings hanging around here on the top side. What we're going to do is just go ahead and crease it towards, let me lay it flat so you can see. Crease that towards the back. Okay, so you have a flap. Here, you're going to crease that to the back. This section right here, you're going to do the same thing. So just crease it towards the back. All right. Okay, so I'm going to flip my whole entire thing over and do the same exact steps. So that little wing that's over to the far edge of your piece of paper, just fold it to the back. Same thing, fold it to the back. Move it to the back. Okay. Now what we're going to do is these should separate here. You have all these little points hanging around up here, okay? What we're going to do is just swing, like I'm gonna call these little panels. Just swing it over. So now you have a nice little flat surface, okay? Flip it over and swing the other one around. So both sides are now smooth. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna stand mine right up. And what we're going to do is go ahead and open up your strawberry. Kind of looks like a flower a bit, huh? Now, these triangle points that stick out, what you're going to do is just fold them inward towards the inside. You're going to do that all the way around. And you can glue these into place if you'd like. You could glue them, you can tape them down. I'm just going to fold mine in. Once you fold those in, and as you're going around, you can pop your strawberry right into place. So kind of just put your fingers in there and just pop it out. Just like this. Now, you're going to go ahead and grab your marker and just do little dot spots all the way around your strawberries. And you're going to do that to all of your sides. Okay, so you're going to finish that all the way around, okay? Now, that scrap piece of paper that you have hanging around as part of your supplies, this will be the top to your strawberry. So what I'm going to just go ahead and just fold my piece of paper in half. And I'm just going to free cut this can do multiple one of these and just layer them. Once we open it up, you can adjust it however you'd like. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is glue this to the top of your strawberry, okay? And once you glue it down, you can curve these leaves out. Let me bring one that we finished up. And again, you can, here's a few of them. You could also, when you're doing the top of your strawberry, you can put a little hole on it. And if you want to, you can do like a little stem sticking out and create kind of like create them so they plug in together. So if you have a little stem here, you could maybe branch out from one strawberry to another one and just have like a bunch of strawberries hanging around. So this is your origami strawberry, and aren't these cute? And of course they look delicious. Enjoy your strawberry origami, guys.
I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time for more origami fun. Bye-bye.